Let me walk you through the leave module at the admin authority access. First screen, leave entry. Enter the employee number. You shall see leave detail display here. Click to add any new leave entries and you can enter all the basic details and click on save. Else you can use another option. There you can upload a bulk as per the given format. Here you can download the template and upload as per the given format. Also you can delete the leave entry from the same screen, from the entry screen. Here you can able to see the delete option. Just click delete. You can able to see data deleted successfully. How to do the retrospective change? Same way you can enter the employee ID here. Select any previous month you want to change the respective leave. Click on the leave name. Select the modify leave name like present days if you want and just click on save. This screen help you to review the previous month leave taken. Now coming to the screen where you can execute balance correction. You can make any addition against any employee by simply following the path. On selecting, you can enter the employee ID first. On selecting the leave name, here you can click on add. Select the leave name, enter other details, number of units 1, 2, and from which date you want to put the effective. And click OK. It would automatically save successfully. Or else you can use the bulk upload option where you can upload the leave balances as per the given format. Now coming to the next screen, credit, where you can apply leave credit. You can make any addition against any employee by following the simple path. On selecting the leave name, just enter the employee number, click on add, select leave name, compa for optional holiday, enter the leave reason, applicable units and effect on dates, and click on save. The balance will added successfully automatically. Once you click on save, the balance will be added automatically. Or else you can use the same leave balance upload option from the leave data upload where you can upload the leave balances with the effective and the expiry date. Now let me show you the another solution how you can do prepare the holiday calendar and way to map it. Here you can see the list of holiday. Coming to the holiday master, you can add the holiday and enter holiday type, holiday date, and other details. This could made discretionary to the group of locations or any other type you intended to select and save. However, note you once you added the number of holiday can be deleted from the previous period in a same year. Here you cannot delete the previous month leave calendar. You can delete from the current month only. Now we can go to the leave balance screen, view balances. This is a completion screen where you can view balance again each employee. You need to enter the employee ID and you can click on summary. You will able to see opening balance, accrued balance, leave taken, any adjustment, balance, encashment, all the details. Else last option is leave credit worked. Here you where you can credit work day if applicable. Now we can go to the reports. Finally, leave calendar is where you can see the monthly dates on which employee has applied for a leave. Select any month where employee has applied the leave to view the number of employees against the respective date of a particular month. So there are a various type of other reports you have in the system, like leave card, leave taken report, cancel leave status, stop leave taken, unapproved leave request, leave applications, employee holiday report, holiday master, leave balance statement. These are all the reports that you can take out in Excel from the system. Thank you.